Welcome to your IELTS vocabulary practice. You'll hear 25 questions. Each question comes with 4 options. Take your time, pause whenever you like, and try to choose your answer before the correct one is shown. Enjoy your quiz. Question 1. What is the meaning of property? Option A. Something observed without any ownership claim. Option B. Something borrowed without ownership. Option C. Something shared equally by all members. Option D. Something owned by a person or group. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of property is something owned by a person or group. Example: the community used the shared property, wisely maintaining it as a clean and welcoming green space for all residents. Question 2. What is the meaning of ceremony? Option A. Formal event with set procedures. Option B. Spontaneous celebration without planning. Option C. Private meeting between close friends. Option D. Casual gathering without any structure. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of ceremony is formal event with set procedures. Example: the graduation ceremony was a joyful occasion as students and families celebrated years of hard work together. Question 3. What is the meaning of hesitant? Option A. Entirely indifferent and without concern. Option B. Quick and fully confident in action. Option C. Slow to act due to uncertainty. Option D. Calmly decisive without any doubt. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of hesitant is slow to act due to uncertainty. Example: she felt hesitant about starting the new exercise program, but the encouraging coach made her feel immediately at ease. Question 4. What is the meaning of petition? Option A. Casual suggestion shared in a private meeting. Option B. Official statement issued by an authority. Option C. Formal written request signed by many people. Option D. Informal verbal request made by one person. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of petition is formal written request signed by many people. Example: over 500 residents signed the petition calling on the government to restore funding for the rural maternity unit. Question 5. What is the meaning of seek? Option A. To observe without searching for. Option B. To evaluate without trying to obtain. Option C. To search for or try to obtain. Option D. To avoid and move away from. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of seek is to search for or try to obtain. Example: she made the courageous decision to seek professional support for her anxiety and found it transformative for her well-being. Question 6. What is the meaning of resolute? Option A. Firmly determined and unwavering in purpose. Option B. Uncertain and easily swayed from purpose. Option C. Temporarily determined without full commitment. Option D. Mildly committed without strong conviction. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of resolute is firmly determined and unwavering in purpose. Example: she remained resolute in her commitment to the recovery program even during the most physically and emotionally demanding days. Question 7. What is the meaning of performer? Option A. Person who evaluates a show from the outside. Option B. Person who organizes a show for others. Option C. Person who observes a show without participating. Option D. Person who carries out an activity or show. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of performer is person who carries out an activity or show. Example: each performer at the community fundraiser donated their time to help raise money for the Children's Health Program. Question 8. What is the meaning of detain? Option A. Invite someone to stay without obligation. Option B. Release someone from custody immediately. Option C. Keep someone from leaving or hold them back. Option D. Allow someone to leave without restriction. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of detain is keep someone from leaving or hold them back. Example: the health inspector had the authority to detain any shipment of goods suspected of posing a public health risk. Question 9. What is the meaning of studio? Option A. A room or space for creative or professional work. Option B. A large open space for sporting activities. Option C. An outdoor space for public gatherings. Option D. A formal hall for official meetings. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of studio is a room or space for creative or professional work. Example: the artist converted her studio into a creative therapy space where community members could heal through painting and expression. Question 10. What is the meaning of adorn? Option A. To decorate or add beauty to. Option B. To damage and reduce in appeal. Option C. To evaluate carefully without any change. Option D. To strip away and leave bare. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of adorn is to decorate or add beauty to. Example: families gathered to adorn the town square with handmade lanterns for the annual cultural celebration. Question 11. What is the meaning of knit? Option A. To cut fabric into a desired shape. Option B. To weave fabric on a flat surface. Option C. To sew fabric using a needle and thread. Option D. To make fabric by interlocking loops. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of knit is to make fabric by interlocking loops. Example: the community knitting group met weekly and used the time together to knit warm items for patients in the local hospital. Question 12. What is the meaning of gymnasium? Option A. A room used for official administrative meetings. Option B. A room used for academic study only. Option C. A room used for creative artistic practice. Option D. A room or building for physical exercise. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of gymnasium is a room or building for physical exercise. Example: the community gymnasium was open to residents of all ages and offered free fitness classes every weekday morning. Question 13. What is the meaning of ally? Option A. One who actively works against another. Option B. One who observes without any involvement. Option C. One who supports and stands with another. Option D. One who remains neutral in all matters. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of ally is one who supports and stands with another. Example: a knowledgeable pharmacist can be a valuable ally in helping patients manage their medications safely and effectively. Question 14. What is the meaning of diminish? Option A. Fluctuate without moving clearly in any direction. Option B. Remain at a stable and consistent level. Option C. Become or make larger and more significant. Option D. Become or make smaller or less significant. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of diminish is become or make smaller or less significant. Example: Regular treatment helped to diminish the severity of the patient's symptoms over the course of several weeks. Question 15. What is the meaning of varnish? Option A. A compound used to dissolve a surface. Option B. A material used to roughen a surface. Option C. A coating applied to protect a surface. Option D. A substance used to strip a surface. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of varnish is a coating applied to protect a surface. Example: the wooden furniture in the waiting room was treated with a natural varnish to protect it and maintain a welcoming appearance. Question 16. What is the meaning of warrant? Option A. To evaluate without making any judgment. Option B. To observe without any authorization. Option C. To justify or officially authorize something. Option D. To reject and refuse authorization. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of warrant is to justify or officially authorize something. Example: the strength of the evidence was enough to warrant a full investigation into the health and safety practices at the facility. Question 17. What is the meaning of weapon? Option A. A tool used to heal and restore. Option B. A tool used to measure and assess. Option C. A tool used only to build and create. Option D. A tool used to cause harm or defend. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of weapon is a tool used to cause harm or defend. Example: knowledge and education are the most powerful weapon against preventable illness and health misinformation in any community. Question 18. What is the meaning of characteristic? Option A. Result produced by a specific action. Option B. Feature typical of a person or thing. Option C. Change observed after a period of time. Option D. Quality gained through training and effort. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of characteristic is feature typical of a person or thing. Example: attention to detail is a characteristic that makes her work stand out in every project she takes on. Question 19. What is the meaning of crooked? Option A. Not straight or dishonestly behaving. Option B. Honestly conducted and fully transparent. Option C. Smooth and following a direct path. Option D. Perfectly straight and precisely aligned. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of crooked is not straight or dishonestly behaving. Example: the crooked fence along the old path gave the village garden a charming and pleasantly informal appearance. Question 20. What is the meaning of perish? Option A. Die or be destroyed especially from cold or hunger. Option B. Remain unchanged in a challenging environment. Option C. Survive and flourish under difficult conditions. Option D. Recover fully after a period of hardship. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of perish is die or be destroyed especially from cold or hunger. Example: vaccines that perish outside the cold chain cannot protect communities, making proper storage absolutely critical. Question 21. What is the meaning of vertical? Option A. Curved in a smooth arc above the ground. Option B. Perpendicular to the ground and upright. Option C. Diagonal and at an angle to the ground. Option D. Parallel to the ground and flat. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of vertical is perpendicular to the ground and upright. Example: the vertical garden installed on the clinic's exterior wall provided fresh herbs, and created a calming green environment. Question 22. What is the meaning of attentive? Option A. Indifferent and showing no interest. Option B. Distracted and unable to focus clearly. Option C. Overly tired and struggling to engage. Option D. Alert and giving careful focused attention. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of attentive is alert and giving careful focused attention. Example: the attentive nurse noticed the subtle change in the patient's condition and informed the doctor immediately. Question 23. What is the meaning of wrap? Option A. Observe something without covering it. Option B. Describe something without any covering action. Option C. Cover or enclose something in material. Option D. Uncover or remove material from something. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of wrap is cover or enclose something in material. Example: the nurse used a sterile wrap to cover the wound dressing and keep it protected between the patient's clinic visits. Question 24. What is the meaning of compare? Option A. Describe something without reference to anything else. Option B. List the features of something individually. Option C. Measure only one thing against a fixed standard. Option D. Examine similarities and differences between things. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of compare is examine similarities and differences between things. Example: the researcher decided to compare the results from both groups to determine which treatment had been more effective. Question 25. What is the meaning of rational? Option A. Based on tradition without examination. Option B. Based on emotion and personal feeling. Option C. Based on reason and clear thinking. Option D. Based on random choice without thought. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of rational is based on reason and clear thinking. Example: a rational approach to health decision-making involves gathering evidence, considering options, and consulting trusted professionals. This is the end of part 113. See you in the next quiz.